wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best selfie drones. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. If you've got your heart set on the top brand name but don't quite have the budget for it, the DJI Tello could be the way to go. Designed for FPV operation with VR headset support, it features a toss to launch as well as automated takeoff and landing capabilities. It provides excellent stability and maneuvering and takes effortless photos with easy shots. However, its image quality isn't the best. At number 9, to the usual complement of flight-ready foldable camera features, the unique Mantis Q adds voice commands such as wake up, take a selfie, and record video. It also uses facial recognition to take portraits from up to 13 feet away and responds to gestural controls. You can activate it with a smile, and it's energy efficient for extended flying, but it's got no collision avoidance system. Coming in at number 8 on our list. While it may not be quite ready for prime time as far as serious photographers are concerned, the eachine E58 is an affordable and capable option for folks who just want to have some fun with their self-portraits and maybe get a bird's eye view of the surrounding scenery. It's a foldable design, and the integrated camera has a 120-degree field of view. However, you get only 7 minutes of continuous use. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for selfie drones, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the DJI Spark is a pocket-sized powerhouse that packs an impressive punch in terms of features. Using facial recognition to launch it from your open palm, you can direct it with hand gestures to follow the action and capture incredible aerial snapshots. It boasts wind-resistant stability control and autonomous obstacle avoidance, but its video is limited to 1920 by 1080 at 30 frames per second. Moving up our list to number 6. Capturing snaps with the UDI U34W Dragonfly is about as easy as it gets from the helm of a remote-controlled aircraft. The diminutive, durable design can withstand a number of crash landings, and you can program customized flight paths on your smartphone for it to follow. It's equipped with a VR-compatible 720p HD camera and is both agile and responsive. However, it's got no GPS capabilities. Halfway up our list at number 5. The Autel Robotics Evo incorporates dual GPS and GLONASS navigation systems with a return-to-home failsafe to ensure that your gear doesn't run out of juice while you're lining up the perfect shot. Use it to photograph stunning 12-megapixel images and record 4K videos at 60 frames per second. It features hands-free hovering, integrated 3D mapping, and a controller with a built-in OLED screen. At number 4, versatility is the hallmark of the Holy Stone HS220. With its articulating rotor arms extended, you can use it to stream FPV video with 3D VR mode and perform agile aerial maneuvers. All the propellers can be folded in for a more compact profile and greater stability. It comes with an over 100-foot transmission range, modular battery packs, and one key takeoff and landing. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. Foldable propeller arms that tuck snugly against its flanks when they're not in use protect the Drocon Ninja from sustaining damage to its blades in storage, while a 120-degree wide-angle camera lens and autonomous piloting modes enable you to capture panoramic aerial views. It offers Wi-Fi smartphone app control, a beginner-friendly design and price, and a gravity-sensing operation. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for selfie drones, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, if you're just looking for something inexpensive enough for the kids to play around with, check out the goolrc T700, which offers smartphone app integration for flight path planning, one key return, a 720p FPV transmission, and an emergency stop function. It includes a hover feature for shooting stability and is great for novices to practice with, as it's fun and easy to fly. And taking the top spot on our list, with a maximum flight time of 21 minutes and a top speed of 42 miles per hour, the DJI Mavic Air is powerful aviation technology that you can take along almost anywhere. Designed to optimize stability in a lightweight frame, it puts exceptional imaging capabilities at your fingertips. It boasts advanced pilot assistance systems, 32 megapixel sphere panorama creation, and multi-directional environment sensors. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Selfie drones, or simply click beneath this video.